How to delete Twitter or X account permanently? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to delete your Twitter or X account permanently. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open your Twitter or X applications on your device. Make sure to sign into your account, then you will land on this home screen of your Twitter. Tap on profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Select Settings and Support. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now choose your account at top of the screen. Here you got the option of Deactivate Account. Tap on it and then tap Deactivate button. Here you need to enter your password, and remember your account will be deactivated for 30 days once you deactivate. If you don't enter your login information and reactivate your account, after 30 days, your Twitter or X account will be permanently deleted. So that is how we delete Twitter or X account permanently. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.